All right, guys, welcome back to Crypto Jiri. Today we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin halving, what happened after it, as well as a couple great news articles, as well as the charts and the prices today. So, as you guys can see, the price today is 8,920. If you could tell, after the Bitcoin halving, it did go up at least 4.6 to 6.17%, which is a great sign. If we could look at the Bitcoin halving reward, you could tell that in another 4 years is going to be the next halving, which is a great thing to see, right? At May 9th at 2024 at 320 UTC is going to be the next halving, right? But so here's my opinions on the prices. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin went down to $6,000 just because of what's going on right now, as well as what the recent halvings were, that the price did go down after the halving, but then it exploded in 6 to 12 months. But who knows, it could be slowly but surely going up in 6 to 12 months, maybe in a sideways scale or even up and down volatility because of the hedge funds joining in, as well as bigger players such as whales and stuff like that. So we'll see, take a look. But the only reason why I'm saying 6,000 is just because of, here, let me mark it up real quick, is this resistance right there. I wouldn't be surprised that's going to be our biggest resistance, but right, again, there's two parts of this. There are 2 to 3 indicators that there is a floor that's rejecting from it. So who knows, but right, that's just my two opinions of where the price might be going to go. So we'll see in the next couple of weeks or even days, right? So let's take a look on the new article of the day. CME says volume surge shows strong institutional interest before Bitcoin halving, which is a great thing to hear, just because of that there's bigger interest in Bitcoin halving than average eye, as well as the public, and that it's showing hedge funds and stock exchanges that Bitcoin is going stronger by the day. Chicago Mercantile Exchange CME says record trading activity for its Bitcoin derivatives reflects a strong institutional interest in the imminent halving event. So basically what they're trying to say is before the halving event, there are really big contracts as well as year-to-date percentages going above the period in 2019, which is awesome because of how, Bitcoin is really a really great currency as well as what it stands for. But, right, before the halving event, which, in my opinion, that's the only reason why a lot of people are getting into it, is because they think, oh, I'm going to get rich quick, which is not true, because from the patterns from the last 2 to 3 halvings have seen that the price did go down and then it blew up because a lot of the people who don't know what they're trying to do get out of it, and then right, it goes up and then they try to get back into it. They don't make money fast, it goes down, and then right, people lose money, houses, cars, etc., mortgages. So it did happen in 2018 when it blew up to 20K. So we'll see what's going to happen, honestly. But this is a good news. Another great news, U.S. banking regulator suggests federal licensing framework for crypto firms. A key bank regulatory in the U.S. may be open to allowing crypto companies to be licensed as financial institutions on a national rather than state-by-state level. So basically what they're trying to say is give the crypto exchanges and crypto firms their licensing for national, so that the average man could see what crypto is, as well as the average investor, because a lot of people don't really believe in it. But since hedge funds and a lot of other crypto firms and exchanges are going more mainstream, people are trying to figuring out that, okay, this is actually gonna be a good thing in investing as well as in exchange work. So but a good thing to read is what they said about crypto. So, crypto is one of those areas where we have to ask ourselves, does it make more sense to think of crypto projects as local projects or global projects? If they are global, then the rationale for a single national license makes more sense, he said. Increasingly, it looks like a lot like a crypto's banking for the 21st century. All right, banking for the 21st century is a very great key word, just because of what we have been seeing in the last couple weeks, where the U.S., Europe, China, Venezuela, Brazil, Australia, and all those other bigger countries are switching to digital currency or even cryptocurrencies, just because no one likes to print money, right? Too much inflation, as well as this is the future, and Bitcoin is going to be the one that's going to be leading it, honestly. That's just my opinion. And then the last news of the day, Crypto.com lands record 360 million insurance cover for offline Bitcoin vaults. So a lot of you guys might be saying, why does this matter? The reason why is because, right, such as banks or even hedge funds or trading funds, they do have insurance covers, just because, people do get hacked, people do get lost, and people do lose money, or even, they don't know where their money went. So basically what they're saying is, if you have a normal bank and someone hacks your debit or credit card, you could just get to basically tell the bank, hey, I didn't spend the money, I want the money back, and then they send it in the next 2 to 3 business days back in your account, right? So that's basically what they're trying to do with Bitcoin exchanges. Crypto.com as only for now, but who knows what's going to be in the future. But let's see what they said. So, Crypto.com has gathered record-breaking 360 million worth of insurance to cover the potential loss of coins stored in a special offline vaults, which is great, but who knows how special it is, right? It could be for whales, could be for bigger players, but who knows? It could be for the average man as well. But they announced that Monday the crypto finance platform accessed the cover through institutional custody provider Ledger Vault, which offers 150 million to pooled insurance cover to clients via insurance broker Marsh and Lloyd's of London underwriter Arc Insurance. So, great thing in the world of crypto. But who knows what's gonna happen after this. But yeah, guys, this was the news for the day. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. And always, keep hodling.